Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 enhanced not launching. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to library, then you need to find GTA 5 enhanced, right click on it, go to properties, go to install files and browse. And then here on new window, you need to delete some files except just leave battle I folder, D3D, D12, redistributables, update and x64. So delete all the files, and then you just need to leave as well files with x64 RPF, right? So leave all the files with x64 with an RPF and delete rest of it, right? And then here you need to just delete it. Next thing we need to do here is to go on install files and verify integrity of the game files. So these files will be re-downloaded, and then you just need to wait. And after it finished, you just need to go to GTA 5 Enhanced and just launch the game, and it should work. So let me show how. So as you can see here, guys, game is working. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.